Hello, my name is Feargal Lee is my surname. I'm a native of County Cork in Ireland, and I've been living here in Catalonia for 5 years. I'm living in a village called Irlanda in the Catalan Mountains.
El Feargal Lee és professor d'anglès i músic. Viu a Vilada, al Berguedà, amb tot el que fa i l'amor pel seu país d'origen, Irlanda, i pel que l'ha acollit, Catalunya. Per què s'ha de participar en el procés d'independència?
Well, it's very important for people to choose and make a decision on their future. I'm not so sure that everybody is aware of the importance of making that choice. I feel that from the immigration community, there lacks an understanding or an awareness of the importance of making a vote, casting your vote, how important it is for people who have come from other countries to be very included in the process. So I think that there needs to be a little bit more publicity towards people who have moved here from other countries, to let them know that this is for them as well. It's not just about Catalan and Catalan people and Catalan culture. It's about everybody that lives in this area and this country to participate in this process.
Aniràs a votar?
I think from what I've seen at the moment, the process, it's very important to make a vote, to be a democratic community, a real democratic community. And to be a real democratic community, we need all the people to vote, not just 70% or 50%. We need everybody to vote. So for me, I will be voting here on the 9th of November.
Com vols que sigui el nou estat?
For me, what's the most important or the most significant change that could happen in a country is education. The level in the schools is dropping, and if anything needs to change, it needs to be the education minister's view of education in this country.